Hello, I was done with this, but this is my third video about it because Randy from the support of RPM wrote me back again. I don't know why, because I was done with it. I found a solution myself because the link wizard support wasn't able to give me anything except blame on me for something bullshit. It was not true. I said it in the other videos. Now I found a solution, working solution, and I posted it in the group. I don't know if it will be deleted or not. I didn't ask any question, just informed other members. But Randy say, I have found that asking a great question will get you a better answer. So meaning what? My question was not great. It was very precise. So Link Wizard has great video tutorials to research the proper use and guidelines. Okay, whatever, doesn't help. I don't need help in a Link Wizard. I was mentioning a problem. And it's not in the video tutorial, of course. That will give you the knowledge you seek. Wrong. You are asking about one single detail in a complex system that has multiple outcomes depending on what combination. So, I don't know if Randy is aware of what I was asking exactly. Because he thinks I'm asking for a technicality that can be found in a tutorial in a Link Wizard. This is not the case. Of course not. And it's not the details about Link Wizard. It's details in the RPM setup. If we are given this software and we should be using it to track conversions, you know, the simple things. I want to track leads. So on page 2, those who come on page 2, I want to put them a tag to say they are leads. Exactly the same as is doing James on our funnels to track conversions from the rotator. That's what I'm asking, because putting my own code on this page doesn't work because there is already James code. Okay, so that was easy to understand as I explained it very clearly. But he's saying I'm asking about one single detail in a complex system. It's not complex. So, depending on what combination you are attempting to utilize, you can always purchase another link tracker on your own. I know. Or use the link tracker in Builderall. I know. You are not going to get an answer to your link wizard. I know. I understood. You are not going to give me because you don't know the answer. And you don't care because it's written link wizard. Also, it's not about RPM. It is about RPM. So you are not going to get an answer to your link wizard queries inside the group. No, because you delete my question. So I'm not going to get an answer. Because no one is using link wizard the way you are attempting. So the way I am attempting is just to get conversion information on the thank you page, on the page after the opt-in. So if people are not using link wizard in the way I am attempting, what are they using link wizard for? Link wizard is just to know which source of traffic are resulting in leads. We send multiple source of traffic to our opt-in page, and we want to know which source of traffic has generated the more leads, because that's what we want. We want leads, people who register their email on the page. So we generate a unique link for each source of traffic, and we can see in the conversion which source of traffic has the more leads, percentage of leads, of conversions. That's the use of link wizard. So how come other people in RPM Pro using the link wizard software they are given, how are they not attempting to use it that way? What are they tracking if not for the only things we can track, which is leads conversion? Tell me. So because no one is using link wizard the way you are attempting is wrong. This is the perfect opportunity for you to do the research and post it in the group. Sometimes you just have to be self-reliant and get the answer on your own. So that's what I did. It was a perfect opportunity because the group is useless because they delete my question. The RPM support is useless because they send me to link wizard support. And link wizard support is useless because they don't know. And they tell me it's because I put my script in, I didn't put it in the header, which is a bullshit reason. We don't have to put JavaScript in the header except for special cases which are not the cases of a link wizard. So the link wizard support was useless. RPM support was useless, and the group also because they deleted my post. So yes, I had to look for an answer. I found it and I posted it in the group, not to be helpful, really, just to see what happens to this post. So far, nothing happened. It's just stay here. If it is deleted, it will be my fourth video about it. That's it. So that's why my answer, my video about Randy 1 hour ago sending me a message which I didn't ask for this time. I think it was closed. If you look at it, he was responding to something. Or maybe it was responding to my answer. I don't know. It was just to say thank you about for the screenshot he sent me, a screenshot about the RPM support policy, which was saying nothing about Link Wizard or other software. It was saying nothing. It was saying, on the other hand, that I should ask the group and research the archives of the group before asking support, before opening a ticket, which I did. I posted my question on the group. It was deleted, and I was instructed to open a support ticket, which I did, and then I've been redirected to Link Wizard support, which I did, and nothing came out of it. So it was, if I can note, I will say, well, a bad service. I will, but we cannot click on it. What is this? How will you write? So we click. What happens? Nothing. I will rate the service very bad. And you know, some people are paying for this. I'm like a mystery customer. Some bosses are paying to send mystery customers in their branches to evaluate the customer experience. So I never ask for anything in the support. This is the first time I ask, only because I have been instructed by the group after deleting my message to come here. I ask, I get nothing. I get sent to another support where I get nothing. And so that's my experience, very bad. That's what I have to say. The positive things I can say about RPM support, that it responds quickly, very polite, even if, you know, they try to make me feel like I'm guilty, but there's no way. Even if I was guilty, you cannot make me feel guilty. So when I'm not, even less chances. But they are polite, and they reply, best wishes, or everything is fine. They reply, that's good, but not really looking to resolve this issue, not even saying that this issue can affect other RPM members and it is related to RPM, not a simple technicality in a Link Wizard. It's not that. It's really to put your script in page 2 of your RPM system in order to track leads. You cannot do it, and you will not see an error message. So maybe others are doing this and don't realize. Maybe they think their sources of traffic don't convert. That's because in the statistic of their Link Wizard account, it will show no conversion. Why? They are bad sources of traffic. But no, it's just because of this bug. Because there are two scripts, two accounts of Link Wizard in our pages, because there is the James code first. If we put our own first, then we are disqualified for the traffic rotator. But in the end, all those things, they don't matter. I don't give a fuck about any of that, because even the rotator traffic that it has been stopped, it will be, the free rotator will stay on. But I mean, yes, for the free rotator, you cannot track your conversion this way. If you put your own code first, then they will not track for rotator, so you will be disqualified at some point, you know. So I found the solution. It was easy. Just put your script in an iframe on a Cheetah, and I posted it in the group. That's it. And now it's finished. The story is finished. I don't care. I'm not going to ask for support for what. There's nothing to ask for support. It was the first time. Quite a bad experience. Maybe Randy thinks he's right. Of course, if he thinks so, then he's right. But me, I don't think he's right. So I have my own opinion is the only one who matters to me. That's the way it works. So that's the end of this video. You can find a link to RPM in the description. Bye bye.